Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your presentation on the PowerPoint application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the first icon down below in order to go to your home page, where you can select that one presentation that you would like to get rid of. Now if you have selected the one, all you have to do is clicking on the three dots icon next to its title. Scroll down till you find the delete option down below and click on it. Now confirm by tapping on the delete button. As you can see, your presentation has been deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.